For a free Forex robot, this is actually not looking bad. The overall growth is looking good. The amount of trading years are looking good. There is a few things that we have to discuss during this video that I do need to mention to you. So make sure you watch this entire video right up until the end. Hi there, my friend, Errol Muller here, and welcome to another video. In this specific video, we will be doing a review based on the Market Fighter Forex robot. And at the same time, this is actually a free Forex robot. And I'm going to share exactly with you how you can get access to this robot for absolutely free at the time of me shooting this video. So make sure you stay tuned. And if you think that is awesome, by getting a Forex trading robot for absolutely free, and at the same time I'm going to delve into the nitty-gritties and the details of this specific robot, please give this video a like, give it a thumbs up. I want to help more individuals like yourself watching this video, as I do appreciate my followers, my viewers, my subscribers, and everybody. And if you enjoy this type of content, leave me a comment below this video. I'd appreciate it. Now, before we continue, on your screen right now is a disclaimer. Take some time, pause this video, read that disclaimer, and let's continue along. So, looking at the Market Fighter, I've actually gone, and there is no specific page that you can open for the Market Fighter, although I will share with you exactly how you can get a hold of the robot. What I've done is I've actually opened up this Market Fighter real account, and as you can see, that is the specific pair. Sorry, just bear with me 1 second. That is the actual pair that I have opened, and it's called the Market Fighter. So a tip from me to you, if you don't know me by now, this is the first time that you have come across my channel. You will see on my homepage of YouTube, I do numerous Forex trading robot reviews, affiliate marketing reviews, make money online program reviews, etc. And I go into detail and I share with you things that you need to look at. I mean, I started trading back in the year 2015. I got into it 2014, but I really got involved in the year 2015. And I've had multiple successes. I've made a lot of money. I took a massive dive as well. I've lost numerous accounts. I've blown numerous accounts. So I do know quite a few things to look at and to look for when it comes to purchasing or trading with any type of Forex robot. So if that is you, stay tuned, because you are about to learn quite a few things if you are new to this channel. And if you are existing, then this is something for you to look at. If you want to add this specific Forex robot to your portfolio and you want to use it for your trading, remember what I always tell you guys, for you that are watching this video as an existing subscriber, multiple sources of income is key, and you want to lower your risk. So what I mean by that is, don't just put all of your eggs into one basket. Don't just trade with one Forex robot. That is just, anything one is not good. Rather have 5 to 10 different income sources. In this case, if you only feel that you want to trade with Forex robots, have 5 to 10 good performing with long trading history with a Forex robot. 10 trading for you or 5 trading for you, because if 1 or 2 fails, you still have 3 that is actually making money for you. Okay, so there's a lot of factors that goes into it that you have to pay attention to, which are majority of it that you will learn within this video. Then yes, pay very close attention. Okay, so always think multiple sources of income and try and lower your risk, spread your risk. Hopefully that makes sense. And if it does make sense, leave me a comment in this video or below this video if you find this of valuable information. Okay, so the Market Fighter, let's quickly go to it. So this is basically just what the page looks like, and you can see it says there, free download. Now, most important, I want to get into the nitty-gritties. As you can see, I am logged into my FXbook account. The custom analysis is not set. What does that mean? It means they are not hiding any trading data from us, which is a good thing. Okay, so if it is set, then you want to click on custom analysis. You want to select all. You want to select the pair. In this case, they only trade the USD CAD pair, and I'll show you another way of confirming if they only trade one pair. And then you can literally click analyze, and it will bring up all the data. So if they are trying to hide data, it will bring up a small little notification panel to say that the custom analysis is set. Next good thing, the track record is verified. The trading privileges are shared. So those are 2 ticks that you can tick off as positives. Next, a general tab. I just want to make sure. So they use a broker called FX Open. In on all honesty and in actual fact, that is my broker that I use as well. I've been using them since the year 2015, and I will show you how you can get hold or access to the FX Open broker. So just bear with me, because closer to the end of this video, I'll share everything with you. How you can get access to this robot, how you can get hold of a good Forex VPS service. I'll explain to you just now what that is, and how you can get or basically become part of FX Open and use them as your broker. Okay, just back to the general account. I see they use a real account. That's awesome. That is absolutely phenomenal. Fantastic. The account started trading in the year 2020, February 2022, and the actual date the account was added to my FX book is in March 2021, the 26th of March. Okay, that's when it was added. So it doesn't matter. It all depends on when the account actually started trading with the broker. That's the most important. That's the data we want to analyze as from Feb 23, 2020. Okay, next, statistics. Another one, I don't see the account leverage. So what you can do is you could always head over to Market Fighter, and if there is a way, I wish I could see a way for you to, let's quickly just click on free download. I want to see something. Okay, you have to register an account. So my guess is once you register the account, hopefully there's a tab for you or a place for you to contact their support. And then you ask them, what leverage would you recommend I trade with? What would you suggest? Okay, tell them you've just downloaded the robot and you are really keen on using the robot if you want to use it. I'm just providing you with information and things that I would look for. When I used to trade with Forex robots, I no longer trade Forex robots, and I give numerous reasons in previous videos as well. So I'm not going to go into that now, but I do have a wealth of knowledge in Forex trading robots. It is still a good way to make money. It is still a good way to make a lot of money long term. Keeping in mind, it all depends on the amount of money you are willing to put into it. So just always keep that in mind. Okay. Next, stats. I'm no financial advisor, no licensed broker, no licensed anything. Everything is my personal opinion. Make sure you read the disclaimer. Okay, next, monthly gain. They've got an average monthly gain of 5.81%. Now, if you had to quickly, just as without even thinking of compound interest, if you had to take 5.8%, multiply that by 10, that's already 50% gain. That's like half of your investment within 10 months return on investment if you were to average it every month at 5.81%. Now, stop thinking compound interest. These are monthly gains. What do you think the banks are out there are offering? Mutual funds, investment brokers, all these types of things. What are they? Not monthly gains, per annum gains. Think about that. Per annum versus monthly. Start thinking compound interest. And that's why I say Forex robots is still a very good and lucrative way to make good money when it comes to growing your investments, etc. The decision is always with you. Whether you want to do it or not, it's up to you. It's your decision. I cannot say you have to do it, you must do it. I'm just literally sharing with you based on my own personal experience. Next, the drawdown is currently sitting at 83.96%. That is quite high. So if we head over to the drawdown tab, you will see that in this specific month, December 15, the year 2020, they actually had a drawdown of 83%. That means if this account or that specific trade or numerous trades ended up all in a loss, you would have lost 83.96% of your account balance. That is what I call blowing your account. Because for you to recover that amount, it's going to take you many, many years to recover losing 83% of your account. Remember, you have to now make up for all of that. Firstly, your entire balance is going to come down, which means the amount of risk and the lot sizes you trade is also going to come down. So it's going to take a very, very long time before you get back to just break even, and then you start growing again. Hopefully that makes sense. Look, it was a long time ago. I'm not saying it's a bad thing. I'm just saying the risk was quite high. And then it looks like they managed to lower it. And over the years, up until now, the year 2024, they have actually brought it down to 2020, December 26, 2023. It was sitting at 24%, 24.41%. Not bad. So obviously the lower the drawdown, the better. It means less risk. You might not have those high returns, but keeping in mind, what is the number one rule to investing? If you see this as an investment, uh, is not to lose your money. Never lose money. Rule number two, see rule number one. Okay. Rule number three, refer to rule number one and two. So never lose money. That's the most important when it comes to any type of investment. Okay, balance. Currently, it's sitting at $30,000. Keeping in mind it's a real account, meaning they're trading real money and the track record is verified with the broker. So they've made an initial deposit of $2,000. It's currently sitting at $30,000. So you can do the calculations yourself. And here's it: the absolute gain and the actual gain is sitting at the same amount, and or like a small difference of a 0.20% difference. You can actually see that the actual gain that they've made is 1,419% and 53, or 1,419.53% gain. That is phenomenal for only a $2,000 investment. And if we quickly had to go down to the years, it started trading, like we said, in the year 2020, from 20 Feb to 2024 Feb. That's going to give you 5 years. 5 years that it's been trading. So they've managed to quadruple, they've literally had a gain of 1,400% in only 5 years. Now imagine if this deposit of $2,000 was a $10,000 deposit or a $100,000 deposit. What do you think this would be sitting at? So let's say 100,000 as an example, $100,000 deposit multiplied by 1,400%. What do you think it would be currently sitting at? Just think of it. Okay, that's up to you to do that's a little bit of homework for you to do the calculations and to research compound interest. Now don't lose focus now. I want you to just stay with me, bear with me. I'll share with you exactly how to get the robot, where to get a good VPS service, as well as get a hold of FX Open to become a part, or basically to join them and use them as your broker if you want to. Okay, next, I'm not too worried about the balance, the profit, and the drawdown. I can actually open up the profit for you. I can open up the balance for you. What I do want to point out to you is I want to share something with you quickly. The growth. You can see these orange lines. This will also contribute to drawdown. So the dark line is the actual balance within the, the balance within the account, and the orange line, the light orange line, is the equity, meaning live trades that are happening, meaning actual trading balance that is left within the account. So if numerous trades are opening or just one trade in a loss, then you would get these orange lines, these drawdowns. Look, nothing wrong with it. The account looks very realistic to me, because that is basically what you would see on a Forex trading. A realistic account is these orange lines. Some of them much smaller. And remember, the more data you compile, the longer trades, the, how can I put it, the smaller the overall graph will become. The equity will show smaller. Okay, depending on how big the drawdown actually is. So that's just another tip from me to you. Then how do you confirm the deposits of $2,000? You want to scroll down all the way to the bottom. Just bear with me to where it says history. Where am I now? You know, I'm all over the place now. Here we go. I do this so often and I still lose track of what I'm busy with. So you want to click on history, then you want to scroll down to the very last page, which in this case is page 32. You want to scroll back up, and here you can see they've made a deposit of $2,000 at this specific time and date. So that's a good thing, which means they've made one deposit, not numerous deposits, and it's been growing ever since. So that is looking very good. Open trades are actually sharing the open trades. That's a good thing. Other robots will never share open trades. Even Forex guys trading Forex out there will not easily share their open trades if they want you to purchase something, because that otherwise you can just copy their trading style, as long as you know where the stop loss is, where the take profit is. In this case, it's difficult for you to track what's happening, because you can see the open price where I've actually entered the trade, but you cannot see the stop loss and you cannot see the take profit. You see these little locks, those are hidden, because then it's easy for you to just copy the trade, open the trade at the same buy level or sell level, that they entered, and then you just put your stop loss or your take profit, depending on bearish or bullish or bearish markets. So that's very simple. Next, you want to have a look at to confirm what pairs they are trading. In this case, always go back and refer to like a sales page to see if they still use the same set file, the same account, the same pairs. Okay, so in this case, you want to scroll down, you can click on the summary page, and you can confirm that they are only trading one specific pair with this Forex robot, and it is the USD CAD. It shows you the profit, the pips, the everything. The duration of trades, also very important, is you want to have a look at the duration. As you can see, majority of trades closes within 1 week, roughly just over 1 week, because trading days are 24 hours, 5 days a week, not during the weekends. And then you've got 17, 18 days. So look at these trades. And that's my guess as to why there's such big drawdowns, is because the trades are staying open for so long. I mean, 67 days, 3, 6, that's just over 2 months of trading days. That's a lot. Imagine paying swaps. If you don't know what swaps is, go Google Forex trading swaps. But basically, that is money or commission you have to pay for a trade staying open longer than 24 hours. Now imagine what the swaps will be, trading a trade that stays open for 67 days. Okay, I'm not sure what strategy the market fighter EA uses, because I have to choose my words correctly. I'm not saying, you can always ask them as a tip from me to you, contact their support, contact the market fighter support, and ask them, are you using a stop loss, or are you using a risk percentage stop loss, or the drawdown percentage as a stop loss? What are you doing for stop loss? Okay, and then you will be able to determine whether it's a very risky robot or not, because some guys trade with just an open order, a take profit, no stop loss. They let the account run. Literally, you can blow your account overnight. That's not something you want to do. So I'm not saying this is what Market Fighter is doing. I'm just sharing my personal opinion and knowledge with you. Okay. The amount of trades. Okay, I'm not too worried about that. Next thing to have a look at is obviously the amount of years. My recommendation is always to go for something that's got a trading history of 3 years and upwards, 4 years, 5 years. The longer the trading history, the better. It means that the actual physical trading robot went through very volatile situations within the market, and it managed to keep itself going, keep itself trading, which is a good thing. Okay, so you can see 2020, these are the returns, 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024. So really good returns, actually not bad returns at all. I see in the year of 2020, let's go back to 2022. So 2022, quite slightly higher returns. 2023, it looks like they've lowered the risk. You can see the percentages are much lower. And then in the year 2024, they had one massive hell of a month in January of a 3.9% return. So that is very important. Now, before we head over to me sharing with you quickly how you can get a hold of this robot, once again, please give this video a thumbs up. Next, the first link in the description below this video will bring you over to this page. I am the owner and founder of Empire Digest. Now, my recommendation is always to make money first before you start investing in things like Forex trading robots or other investments. First, make money. Whether it be a daily job, passive income, build passive income. And that's what Empire Digest is all about. And that's what this Show Me How to Make Money button is all about. That is if you want to build passive income. Once you've got that going and you can sustain your lifestyle, then you start putting out your fingers and you start investing in numerous other things and building those multiple sources of income. Well, just this source in itself alone is multiple sources of income. Okay, should you want to check that out, you're more than welcome to. This is basically what I'm doing as a passive income builder. Very important. Okay, scrolling down, you want to head over to the Forex tab right at the bottom. Click Forex. Once on the Forex tab, you can see Forex. You want to scroll down to Forex trading robots. Click the Learn More button. Once you click the Learn More button, here where it says Forex Store, I want you to click on the Access Now button. As soon as you click Access Now, it will bring you over to this store right here, forexstore.com, and then you can see Market Fighter is listed as new and interesting. You can click on it. It will bring you over to this page right here. If or by the time you are watching this video, you cannot get hold of the market fighter, you can always search. Just go to search, type in market fighter, press enter, and there you go, market fighter. That is Forex trading robot. Now, the Forex broker, like I said, go back to the Forex tab, scrolling down, click on Forex trading brokers, click the learn more button. I gotta get my wording right because on the one button I say access now, the other one learn more. So just gotta fix that. As you can see on list of brokers is FX Open, the broker that I've been using since the year 2015. Now I'm busy with quite a few other brokers, and as soon as the time is ready, I will load them as a broker. Okay, next, going back one page again, you can scroll down to Forex VPS services. Now, click on the learn more button. Once on, one thing you have to keep in mind when it comes to Forex trading, Forex robots specifically, is Forex robots does not like downtime. It doesn't like any interruptions in internet, laptop performance, PC performance, because it needs to do calculations in itself, the formulas, the indicators, everything. And if there's a bit of a slight miscalculation due to internet interruption or PC or laptop performance, then that can mess with the robot, and it can end up where you basically blow an account or not take a trade, or the trade stays open for too long, and that can all of those components can actually negatively impact you. So my recommendation, it's entirely up to you, is to have a good Forex VPS service. Depending on the robot that you are going to use, the requirements of the robot will be set out in the files, or you can contact their support and they will tell you what requirements is needed in order for the use of a VPS service. So Scala hosting is there, FX Open is there, AccuWeb hosting is there. At the time of me shooting this video, it might change in the near future. AccuWeb hosting is leading the pack. You can check it out because I can see what purchases are being made. And at the time, I don't know why, but it looks like the market prefers AccuWeb. So I'm not promoting them in the sense of you have to get them. I'm just saying based on analytics, what I can see is AccuWeb is so far leading the pack based on purchases from my side. Okay, so all of them are good. Just you gotta know what your Forex robot requires, and then go to the VPS services, collaborate with them, talk to them, and say this is the requirement. What would you suggest? Okay, and then best charting software. You're more than welcome to check out charting software. That is if you want to have a look at historical data and do your own charting software. You can check out TradingView by clicking the Learn More button right here. And once again, that's it. Thank you so much for your time. In the meantime, check out Join VIP. Click the Join VIP button. As you click Join VIP, it will open up this page where you can join our group. Very, very important. It's the Empire Digest group, and I highly suggest you join the group and become a member. Reason being, once you are a member, in this case, I can see there is, we are currently 3 members. The members are not updating correctly here. I think I still need to accept them as members. But then again, join the group. Just click that button, join VIP. It will bring you over to this group. At the time of me shooting this video, it costs you nothing. You can join our group. This is more related to passive income, online business, affiliate marketing, not necessarily Forex trading. I will have a specific Forex trading group that you can join, but for now you're more than welcome to join the group. What you can do is just click join group. Once you've clicked join group, create yourself a free account, and then you can create your profile and you are part of the group. Once again, thank you for your time. I appreciate your time. Thank you for watching. May you watching this video have a blessed, wonderful, happy, healthy, financially successful, good life going forward. Just a blessed life. Thank you. Stay tuned, and I will see you in my next video. Enjoy.